Hi there! Today we're going to learn the days of the week and how to spell them. There's 7 days in a week. The first day of the week is Monday. Monday is the first school day of the week. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday is the second school day of the week. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day, and it's the middle day of the week. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week, and it's almost the weekend. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Weekends start on Saturday. Time for fun. It's Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. And finally it's Sunday. Weekends end on Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. These are the 7 days of the week. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Well done! You did a great job. What is your favorite day of the week? Now you know the days of the week and how to spell them. See you next time, little learners.